guys my complete makeup collection. I'm going to be showing you what makeup I own, how much I own, where I store my makeup, how I organize my makeup, and all the details about it. So make sure you stick till the end. Actually, this video was requested by one of the subscriber and I'm so happy that I could film this and I could give you the content that you guys wanted to see. So if you guys also have any requests for me, then please let me know in the comment section. And if you guys are new here or if you guys are watching me for the very first time, then hi, my name is Mugdha and I'm having this birthday series going on my Instagram and also on my YouTube, where I'm posting every single day till the 11th of October because it's my birthday. I'm going to be hosting 2 giveaways, both for my Instagram and also on my YouTube, if I hit 1k before or on my birthday. So do participate in the giveaway, and the rules are very simple. So you just have to make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, you're following me on my Instagram, and you have to comment below every 22 videos of mine from this birthday series, and you have to also share those 22 videos on your Instagram stories. So with that being said, I think we should get started. But before showing you guys all the makeup I have, I want to show you guys where I keep my makeup and how I organize my makeup and all the other things. So I'm just gonna give you a little tour of my mini vanity. So let's go. Now we are in the back gallery of our house and we've converted this gallery into a spare room. We have this huge table in which I store all my footwear, but this table comes along with a drawer as well. So I keep all my makeup in that drawer and also on top of the table. So as you can see, that is exactly what I've done here. So guys, this is my vanity space. This is the table that I'm talking about, and here on top of it I keep all the makeup which I use on the regular basis. And please ignore that Hannah Montana sticker. ये अलमारी बहुत पुरानी है, ये हमारे पुराने घर से हमने लाई है, and when I was a kid I stuck this Hannah Montana sticker on. So I have this very beautiful wooden lipstick holder which one of my very dearest friend gave me. So in here I have all the lipsticks that I switch between on a regular basis. So next up I have this very beautiful candle which I've lit up here, and I love candles. If you guys didn't know, I just love how they can elevate the mood of your room instantly, and along with all these makeup stuff, it looks so freaking aesthetic. I just love it. Now next to the candle I have this very beautiful perfume that my sister gave me on my last birthday. It smells divine and I just love it, and this is what I use on a very regular basis. And behind the perfume I have me, and that's my ring light because I'm shooting. So I have this very beautiful circled mirror here and it just looks so freaking aesthetic. You guys know circled mirrors are on trend right now, and I coincidentally had this one since a very long time, so I thought of keeping this here, and I think it looks pretty great. It also comes in very handy while I'm doing my makeup. Now moving behind the mirror, I have this very beautiful glass full of fake flowers. Guys, these are not the real flowers. I love the way real flowers look, but अभी कुछ option नहीं है. अगर मैं संभाल ही नहीं सकती उनको तो I don't want them to die, so I prefer the fake ones, but they look pretty good I guess. I've literally used वो घर के glasses नहीं होते जिसमें हम मेहमानों को सब drinks वगैरह देते हैं. So I've used those glasses because I don't like the way normal vases look. I prefer glass which is see-through. And besides the flowers, I have this very dirty collection of my brushes. But yeah, these are all the brushes that I use on my regular basis. Please ignore the fact that they are very dirty. I have all my brushes and also my eyelash curler in here, and I've also stored this in a beer glass, which is like so cool. I don't need to invest in any other brush holder because घर पे जो सामान है वही इतना versatile है तो हम क्या ही करें. Okay, so besides the brushes, I have a box full of my lipsticks. I got this box along with some chocolates, as you can see, and you guys know me, I'm all about use, reuse and recycle. ये जो ऊपर वाले lipsticks है और ये जो सारे lipsticks है, these are not the only lipsticks I have. Okay, so इनके नीचे जो है ना, इनके नीचे भी बहुत सारे lipsticks, all the nude ones and the mauve ones which I generally go for on the top, and all the red ones, plum ones and brown ones are on the bottoms. So basically that's the top part of my vanity, and now let's move in deeper. So as you can see, I have organized all these things in different boxes and different pouches. So let's go on with this box first. So in this box I have all my rubber bands, all hair accessories. Next I have this box where I store all my clips, my TikTok clips, my bobby pins, my safety pins and everything. And in this box I have all my lashes. So I don't really own a lot of lashes, but this is what I have in this box. And here I have some measuring tape which is very random. Then here I have my camera box, and in this pouch I store all my DVDs. These are all the DVDs that I used to watch when I was a kid, so I've kept it like a memory. Now moving along to this side, first of all I have this Shein pouch. I got this when I went for the Shein party. If you guys haven't checked it out, I have made a vlog. I will leave it in the link in the description box. So in this pouch I have all my makeup that I use for my shoots, on my everyday, and it has all my frequently used makeup. And when we take out this pouch, you will see I have few technical stuff here. So here I have my Gorilla Pod, I have few sunglasses, this is the camera attachment, and this is the Bluetooth remote for my phone, and again this is the phone holder for my Gorilla Pod. And in this pouch I have all of my makeup that I don't really gravitate towards more often, but because I have that makeup, I've made this pouch कि in case अगर कभी मुझे ज़रूरत पड़ी तो I'll grab it from this pouch. Yeah guys, this is how I like to store my makeup, and this is where I keep all of it. Now let's move on to the actual products in my makeup collection. I have this foundation stick by Makeup Revolution in this shade F11. Whenever I'm filming my videos, I'm always wearing this because this is such a full coverage foundation stick, and it is super blendable. It is creamy formula and it is very easy to use. Next I have this foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 230. This foundation is amazing, super lightweight. It does have medium coverage, and for the price it comes for, amazing guys. Recently Maybelline finally upgraded this foundation. They came up with a pump and we all are satisfied. I don't use much foundation. I only use it when I'm filming or if there is a special event or something. So वो पड़े रहता है, waste हो जाता है. So I only have these two foundations. One is this one and one is the stick one that I showed you before. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer and Corrector. Love this. It is super lightweight, super affordable, and I use this on everyday basis and it does perform really well. So the next product that I have with me here is this LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. This one in particular is such a high coverage concealer on a budget. So if you're looking for one, definitely grab this. So the next product I have with me is this Miss Claire translucent powder. You've seen me using this multiple times and I use this on everyday basis as well. So you know how much I love this. This eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty. It has all the neutral browns and black tones. It is a mix of mattes and also some shimmers. It is a perfect palette to create some natural looks and also some dramatic looks. So I have this palette by this brand called MS Rose. It was, I think, just for rupees 200, and it comes with so many different shades. It is super versatile. It has all different bright colors and also a few neutrals. So the next palette I have with me is this palette. I know these two look separate, but this used to be a palette together and somehow they broke up and they separated. After college, me and my friends went to Hill Road and we got this palette from there, and this claims that this is the Kylie palette, but it's not. Obviously, it had all the shades that I needed. It had neutrals, it had colors, so I was like very tempted to buy this. So the last palette for today that I have is this palette. This is a shimmer palette. This has all shimmer shades, no matte shades. So this is by the brand Etude. The shades in this are very colorful, and whenever I feel like I don't know what shade to use for my lids, I always use this palette. Next, I have this very random eyeliner. This is a felt tip eyeliner by this brand called 36H, and there's something written in Japanese. I don't know how this ended up in my makeup bag, but it's here. It performs really well and I'm still using this. Up next, I have this Zoe Colorberry liner. So it is a very beautiful electric blue shade. It is a little watery, but you do have to build it up and you will get a very nice pigment. It is a liquid liner and it has a brush tip, so it is very convenient to draw your thin wings. I have another liner by the brand called gaurav.gamre. So this is a brown liner and this gives a very beautiful definition to your eyes in a very subtle way. Up next, I have this Kajal by Plum. They're very famous Kajal, and I know the reason why it is so famous, because it is so beautiful. It does not budge and it stays on for a very long time. It's waterproof, sweat proof. Love this. If you're looking for a good kajal, invest in this one. You will not regret it. Moving on to mascara, I have the L'Oreal's Volume Lash Paradise mascara. Love this mascara. If you're buying this, make sure you get this in a washable version, otherwise don't get it. You're gonna regret your decision. It is a little expensive, but it is totally worth every penny, guys. Next, I have this another mascara from Essence. This is called the Essence Multi Action Mascara. It didn't really do much for my lashes, so I started using this for my eyebrows and I'm hooked onto this and I love this so much. Next up, I again have a mascara with me. This is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Easy Wash Mascara. I can't really say much about the volume, but I can definitely say that it does curl your lashes and it is a pretty affordable mascara as well. Next up, I have this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. It just makes your lashes look super fluttery and it just gives them a lot of volume. So I love it. Moving on to some blush, I have this Miss Claire blusher in the shade 27. So I love this shade because it makes me look very fresh and awake and it is very blendable. Everyone on my channel would recognize this palette because this is the only blush palette that I use on my channel all the time. It's by this brand Savannah Colors and it's their Ultra Blush palette in the shade 03. It has multiple shades for you. It also has a bronzer and also a highlighting shade, plus it comes along with 6 blush shades. Now for my favorite product, I have this blush by Nika K New York. This is in the shade Ginger and it's their mineral blush. It is super smooth, it is very silky, it has great pigment. You don't even need much product and it blends super easily. Love this one. Next up, I have this Savannah Colors Bronze Professionals Contour and Highlighting Trio. So it does come with a matte bronzer and 2 highlighters. Next up, I have this highlighter. This is again by Makeup Revolution. This is their Pro Illuminate highlighter. Love this highlighter. I have been obsessed about this highlighter. This In Color Cosmetic Instant Glow Shimmer Bricks. This is in the shade 04 Rose Gold. Next up, I have this very oldie and my goldie highlighter. This is my in color baked highlighter in the shade Pretty in Pink. It is very affordable. It is not chunky at all. It looks very pretty in sunlight and love it. So the next product that I have with me is this Wet n Wild Mega Glow illuminating stick. So this basically is a highlighting stick and I don't like this product. So as a body highlighter it does work, but on face I don't like the way this looks. So first I want to start off with this beer glass that I have, but it works perfectly to hold my brushes because I have a very limited amount of brushes with me and I use it in a multiple ways, so I don't really feel the need to invest in a specific extra brush. So I bought all these brushes as a set from Amazon and it costed me around 600 rupees. So the collection is very versatile because it comes along with eye brush set and also face brush set. So these are all the brushes that I have, and apart from the brushes I also have this beauty blender. I won't consider this as the best beauty blender I've tried so far. I'm still on the hunt for a good beauty blender, but I'm sure this is not it. I know I haven't even spoken about one single lipstick in this video, and I'm not even going to, because I'm gonna be making a complete separate video about it, and there I'm gonna swatch all the lipsticks that I own. Trust me guys, I have a box full of lipsticks as you guys saw, and I'm gonna swatch all of them. I'm gonna wear all the shades and I'm gonna show you how the shades look on me. So yeah, stay tuned for that and go follow me on my Instagram so that you don't miss out on that video. I think we've come to the end of this video, but don't worry, I'm gonna be posting every single day till the 11th of October on both of my social media platforms, that is my YouTube and also on my Instagram alternately. So please follow me on my Instagram if you guys want to watch more of my content, and I'm also hosting a giveaway if I'm hitting 1k before or on my birthday. So there are going to be 2 giveaways and you guys know the rules, and if you guys don't, then go check out the description and like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys very soon in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.